That's right, we've got breaking news. Hello my friends and welcome back once again to Brotherhood of the Bat Collectibles. My name's Chris and I'm the Batman statue collector, and boy oh boy do I have an exciting day for you guys today, because not only do we have breaking news, but tonight I actually have a live unboxing. I'm live unboxing the life-size Harley Quinn bust from Sideshow Collectibles. That's tonight, 7 p.m. Central Standard, 8 Eastern. Please join me, it's going to be a lot of fun. And then of course this video, we have breaking news from our friends over at XM Studios and Legendary Beast. Of course I'm talking about their 1/3 scale lineup. Now, we have seen Magneto, we have seen Thor, we have seen Captain America, and they're all, again, in 1/3 scale, and they're all mightily impressive. Of course, the bases are very awesome as well. But now we have the full reveal of the other ones that they have teased us. We, of course, have a 1/3 scale Hulk, which is absolutely insane. Think of that, 1/3 scale, multiple different torso options. It is absolutely incredible. We also, of course, have a new Thanos. We have a new Venom. We have a new classic Iron Man. I have all of those photos for you guys, so I'm going to share them. I'm going to share my thoughts on these, and let's just talk about it. Let's dive right into this incredible lineup from XM Studios and Legendary Beast. Man, these are exciting. Alright, so guys, this is so exciting because this is footage from collector Jay Sia. I want to give him a major shout out. He gave us permission to show this incredible footage, and this was from this event today. Really awesome. Of course, we see the Cyclops, which again is 1/3 scale, which that looks great, but to be able to see all of these together next to each other is very exciting. Of course, the incredible Magneto, which is my personal favorite in the line so far. This thing is just absolutely epic. And again, Legendary Beast nailed these characters. Really, really exciting. Of course, these are more dynamic than those original Captain America and Thor pieces. I really like the art direction. But here we go. This is what we're here to see. This right here, this 1/3 scale Hulk. The base is incredible, lots of storytelling elements, but look at this thing. This is absolutely incredible. Rage face. There's going to be different torsos, and it's still unclear how that's exactly going to be sold. I've been told that you're going to have to buy them each individually if you want to do that. So it really, you pick the torso you want. Now, that information might be old at this point, I don't know. But look at this. Look at this, guys. It looks absolutely insane how this looks. It is, oh, I think it is one of the best Hulks on the market. I think that this piece will sell out. I think it's going to be a grail, near grail piece in the future. It just looks really, really awesome. Of course, one thing you have to consider, of course, is the size of the base. But look at the storytelling elements here. It is very, very cool. Obviously, you have a Hulk transformation story. You have the evolution of Hulk. It's very, very cool. You have kind of a green cracked base. But that looks incredible. This one also, of course, this is classic Hulk. This is not my favorite look. I like the Rage face better, although this one also looks very, very awesome. You can see the color in the veins. You can see the muscle, just, how awesome his hand looks. It's just, again, it really blows your mind whenever you see how incredible this thing really looks and how much presence it's going to have in collectors' collection rooms. Of course, I'm going to have some photos here at the end too to show you, because there is some other colors. There's a gray Hulk and some other torsos that we don't necessarily get to see here. So I do want to make sure I show you those photos also. But again, same base, basically same lower half on all of these, except for, of course, the gray Hulk will have gray. But it's still very, very cool. Of course, that is the Thor. Our good friend over at Secret Sanctuary, Jeff Delaney. I know he loves this piece. It's very, very cool. The base is incredible. And then, of course, Captain America. Which is okay. I'm not as wowed by him. So here is the other one as well. So they had all three of the Green Hulks on display, all three different torsos. Again, this is that more modern head, but it's not as enraged. It's not as enraged. So again, I don't know for sure how it's going to be sold. I do not have information on the price point yet. This will not be cheap, folks. I can guarantee you that. But look how great that portrait looks as well. I think that is probably my second favorite. I do like the Rage face as well. Here we have the incredible Captain America. This is the classic Captain America, which looks great. There's so many multiple torso swap outs with this one. It is insane how many they've done. Obviously, this is the mask up, him holding his glove. You have the classic Iron Man base, which I really think is really well done, kind of like a Hall of Armor, which looks great. Just look at that. It's a very, very cool look for, of course, Iron Man. Very, very awesome. Just classic Iron Man. I mean, what's not to like? I mean, it's just a very, very cool look. Obviously, again, you have all of the different masks. Just looks great. Then, of course, last but not least here, in terms of Hulk, again, look at the storytelling elements. Isn't that awesome? This one, of course, is going to be that gray Hulk. So we're going to see that one here as we pan up. Again, thanks, Jay, so very much for this footage. This is absolutely incredible to be able to see this. Again, look at that. How cool is that? Hulk transformation, Bruce Banner into Hulk. Very, very awesome. And then this, again, if you like the gray Hulk look, this variant obviously is going to be for you. Very, very cool. You can see the yellow weathered toenails, which looks great. Obviously, the pants are going to be a different color as well. They're not going to be that purple color. They're going to be a blue here, which looks really awesome. And then again, that torso has that classic Hulk look. Very, very awesome. Again, the veins look great. Oh, just imagine being able to see this in person. It would be so much fun, so cool to be able to see these awesome statues. And again, I am going to have some photos for some of the switch outs that are not shown here, including the Iron Man piece here. But just isn't it just incredible to be able to see footage like this, to be able to see all of these? I mean, look at that, all of these on display. You can really get a sense of how big the Hulk is. It is just massive. Again, XM Studios, legendary beast here. Again, thanks so very much to Jay for this incredible footage again, and thanks for letting me use this footage. It's absolutely mind-blowing how great it is. Okay, so now we are getting into the actual photos here. Again, you can see all of them on display. They all look fantastic. Again, the Rage face is my personal favorite. I think it's just really, really well done. It looks good from all angles. You're going to avoid seam lines, which is very, very good to be able to do that. You're not going to have to worry about that. So again, I don't know how it's going to be sold. Hopefully it will be sold, you know, individually, but if you want all the torsos, hopefully you have that option as well, because I know there are going to be some collectors out there that really do want that option. This was that second look again, you know, kind of that still angry face, but not fully enraged, but still I really like that one. And then of course you have the third one, which is that classic Hulk. Looks really great. I don't know, is that Jack Kirby? I think it might be a Jack Kirby style. Just looks really great from top to bottom. It really just depends on which look you like the best. Then of course you have that gray look as well. Great yellow, great gray. I like the blue pants, although I do prefer the green. I do prefer that look, but that's just me. But look at that. It's just so cool to see these on display here. Again, Legendary Beast, XM Studios, phenomenal 1/3 scale pieces. Of course, Hulk, I mean, what else is there to say? This thing is going to literally be a monster. It's going to be a beast. Again, great storytelling elements here, which is very, very exciting to see. I mean, again, what is not to like with this piece, other than the price point, maybe? So we didn't get to see this in the video, but these are some of the other torso swap outs. Obviously, again, you have Classic, you have the Unmasked portrait, which is great, and that, you know, looks great to me. Obviously, you have Tony Stark holding the helmet in 3rd scale, which is great. I don't think that's been done. I love this pose. This is, I think, my favorite pose. Very iconic. I keep saying Captain America, sorry, Iron Man. And then, of course, you know, just him holding out his hand. You also have a Thanos here, which we haven't talked about yet. Thanos is incredible. Again, at 3rd scale, a great villain base, which is neat. And then, of course, you have that great look there as well. So that looks awesome. And then, of course, last but not least, we also have an incredible look at a brand new Venom, which is crazy. Look at that thing. Just absolutely insane at 3rd scale. Without question, these are all absolutely awesome. It is so cool to be able to see these all revealed actually in 3D prototypes. It's awesome. It's not just renders. It's awesome. And of course, Hulk is painted. It's just, oh my gosh, this Hulk. Guys, I want to see if you agree with me or not. Do you think that this Hulk will reach Grail status? Do you think it'll reach that legendary status like some of the other XM pieces have? I think so, and it's just because of its sheer massiveness. It is, again, 3rd scale. Imagine how much room you are going to need for this, but will this be the ultimate Hulk? Time will tell. Just the fact that you can choose the different torsos, that's, I mean, come on, that's freaking awesome. Oh, it's so cool. I really like the Iron Man. I really like the Thanos. I think the Thanos is awesome. It's a cool sculpt. And if, I know there's some other companies like PCS doing kind of a more video game version of him, but regardless, this is going to be exciting news for Marvel collectors that collect 1/3 scale. Again, there's not very many options out there, of course, in 1/3 scale, unless other companies start getting these licenses. But right now, Legendary Beast is the man. It's the company, right? And so, it is very exciting to see what they're doing with these pieces. Anyway, I do want to turn it over to you. Again, a little bit of breaking news. I want to share as much information as I had, all these photos and everything in between. So anyway, I hope everybody, again, joins me tonight for the live unboxing of the Harley Quinn bust. Please join me again, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, 8 Eastern, 5 Pacific. And I would love to have you join. It shouldn't be a very long unboxing because, again, it's just one bust, but it'll be a lot of fun just to hang out, and maybe we can do a little Q&A as well. So anyway, please join me tonight. Otherwise, thank you guys so very much for watching. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, click the join button down below for early access, bat boxes, and other perks. And if you do want to take it one step further, you can also join our Patreon page as well. Anyway, thank you guys so very much. Oh, check out our t-shirts as well. We got Brotherhood of the Bat t-shirts. Again, I'm going to hawk all this good stuff for you. We got to make sure we keep fun in the hobby, right? So anyway, thank you guys so very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you right here in the Bat Cave. Bye, everybody. Hey guys, thank you so very much for watching today, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button right here on the screen and check out these 2 awesome videos. I think you're going to love them. And also please join us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. I would love to have you join in all the fun. Thank you guys so very much for watching. See you in the Batcave.